Let's learn 10 common and useful Spanish conjunctions. Hi everyone, welcome to another video. Today we're going to learn 10 Spanish conjunctions. They're all very helpful, they're really easy and pretty basic as well. But before, don't forget to subscribe and also click on the bell icon so you can get notified every time I upload a new video. You can also go to smlessons.com for more free Spanish lessons. Okay, let's get started. Maybe you're wondering, what is a conjunction? Conjunctions are words that help you connect sentences so you have a more natural conversation and you don't sound like a robot. So in Spanish, there are quite a few conjunctions that you gotta learn, and they're all very easy to use. Some of them are tricky, but most of them are very straightforward, and you will be able to use them for sure. They're pretty easy. Don't worry about that. Okay, so the first one is y. Y. Y means and. This is a very short conjunction. And this one is, I will say, the one that is used all the time. Like everyone says y constantly in Spanish. Although you gotta avoid saying this conjunction too much because it sounds a little silly. So you gotta use it when you want to add things to your sentences. Specifically, if you have adjectives or nouns and you need to add them to the sentence, you can use y. For example, la casa es bonita y grande. La casa es bonita y grande. This means the house is beautiful and big. So, y means and. If you have more than 2 adjectives or 2 nouns and you gotta use and, usually you say y before the last word that you're adding to the sentence. For example, la casa es bonita, grande y barata. La casa es bonita, grande y barata. This means the house is beautiful, big, and cheap. So that's something important to remember. Just as in English, when you list things, you have to use y almost at the end of the sentence, before the last item that you're listing. So that's pretty basic. It's very easy to use. And avoid overusing this conjunction unless you really have to. Now, conjunction number 2, e. This also means and, but the difference is that e is used before words that start with the letter I. So it pretty much works like e, the first conjunction, but e is used just before words that start with the letter I. For example, Marta es hermosa e inteligente. Marta es hermosa e inteligente. This means Martha is beautiful and intelligent or smart. So, as you can see, we wanted to say and intelligent, and because intelligent starts with the letter I, we had to say e instead of y. Marta es hermosa e inteligente. It's wrong to say Marta es hermosa y inteligente. That sounds a little odd and it's not correct. So you gotta use e before words that start with the letter I. Okay? Now, that was pretty easy, right? Conjunction number 3. O. O means or. So that's pretty easy. O, or. For example, ¿quieres un helado o unas palomitas? ¿Quieres un helado o unas palomitas? This means, do you want ice cream or popcorn? Right? So that's pretty easy. O means or. Let's learn another conjunction. U, u. U means or as well. But U is used before words that start with the letter O. For example, ¿te gustan los colores claros u oscuros? ¿Te gustan los colores claros u oscuros? Do you like bright colors or dark ones? So that's pretty easy. U means or. And it's used in some situations only. Okay, next conjunction, pero, pero. Pero means but. Pero is the most common way to say but in Spanish. Pero, pero. Okay, so let's see one example. Estoy cansado, pero haré ejercicio. Estoy cansado, pero haré ejercicio. This means I'm tired, but I will exercise. Okay? That's a common situation for sure. Pero in this example means but. I'm tired, but I will exercise. Okay? Pero, it's just simple and it means but. Okay. The next one. Sin embargo. Sin embargo. This means however. It's that easy. However. For example, me gusta viajar, sin embargo, no lo hago. Me gusta viajar, sin embargo, no lo hago. This means I like to travel, however, I don't do it. So that's a sad situation. Sin embargo means however. Okay? So that's a really useful conjunction for sure. Okay, conjunction number 7, I believe. ¿Por qué? ¿Por qué? ¿Por qué means because. And ¿por qué, if you notice, ¿por qué is one word. Okay? If you see ¿por qué as 2 words, that means why. ¿Por qué? Why? And that's used only for questions. ¿Por qué? ¿Por qué? When it is one word, it means because. Okay? For example, hago videos porque me gusta. Hago videos porque me gusta. This means I make videos because I like it. And that's true. This is actually an example based on me. Hago videos porque me gusta. I make videos because I like it. Okay? So that's pretty easy. Next conjunction. Si. Si. Si means if. Maybe you're thinking, I thought si means yes. That's correct. Si means yes in Spanish. But the difference is that si, when it means yes, it has an accent mark on top of the letter I. Si. When it doesn't have that accent mark, it means if. If. For example, si quieres, vamos al restaurante. Si quieres, vamos al restaurante. This is similar to saying, if you want, we can go to the restaurant. Okay? Con tal de que. Con tal de que. Con tal de que. As long as. This is a tricky one, but it is also very helpful, very useful. Con tal de que means as long as. So this is a long conjunction as well. Let's see an example. Con tal de que no me mientas. Con tal de que no me mientas. This means as long as you don't lie to me. Okay? So this is a more complex sentence. I tried to simplify it for you so you understand how to use con tal de que. Con tal de que no me mientas. As long as you don't lie to me. You could say, for example, te creo con tal de que no me mientas. Te creo con tal de que no me mientas. This means I believe you as long as you are not lying to me. Okay? So that's a more complex one, and I can talk about this conjunction in a future video. Okay. Lastly, más bien. Más bien. This means rather. Más bien. This conjunction has an accent mark. Más bien. Más. Más. The accent mark is on top of the letter A. This means rather. Let's see an example. La pintura no es fea, más bien complicada. La pintura no es fea, más bien complicada. This is helpful if you go to a museum and you see a really weird looking painting. You can say, la pintura no es fea, más bien complicada. This means the painting is not ugly, rather complicated. So yeah, that is an interesting one. Okay, that's all for today. I hope you liked this video. We went over 10 common Spanish conjunctions. And if you have any questions about any of these, please just leave the question down below or comment about this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you like what I do, please consider donating to this channel. The link to that is in the video description down below. Also, you can go to smelessons.com and click on donate. This channel will have an option to get memberships. I'm working on that, and soon you will be able to support this channel through memberships, okay? And you will get some perks as well. So that's very interesting. I can't wait to tell you more about this. Also, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon so you can get notified every time I upload a video. You can also support this channel by sharing this video with your friends and by giving the thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching, for all your support, and I'll see you next time. Bye!